Uno Showdown. How to play. The rules are the same as regular Uno, except for these changes. For a refresher of those rules, check out this video. Lay out the game unit. Showdown cards are indicated with a number inside the Showdown icon. You cannot match cards based on their Showdown icon. Whenever you play a Showdown card, place the game unit between you and the next player in turn order. Then, draw cards from the top of the deck equal to the Showdown number and slide them face down under the tabs in the unit. You and the next player then each place one hand on your side's paddle and the timer button is pressed. When the countdown ends, you must race to push down on your paddle. The cards will fly out and the player who has the majority of the cards on their side of the unit, as indicated by the middle marker line, loses and collects all the flipped out cards to their hand. If you press your paddle before the countdown ends, then the unit will light up indicating it, and you immediately lose and must collect the cards. The new action card is Wild Showdown. When you play this card, you get to choose any other player to have a showdown with, as well as either 1, 2, or 3 cards to use. This card is a wild and can play on any card, and you get to pick the color that resumes play. If the last card you play is a Showdown or Wild Showdown card, then you must still perform the showdown. If you win, then the round ends. If not, then the round continues. At the end of the round, Wild Showdown cards are worth 40 points each, and Showdown cards score like normal.